G'day and welcome to Williams OT in-car training for Williams OT clients. I'm coming to you from inside my car, and this is our introductory video to a whole series of instructional videos for both parents and students to be able to utilize when they can't be in the car with our driving instructors. G'day, I'm Brad Williams from Williams Occupational Therapy. And what I'm going to do for you and all of our students is we're putting together a step-by-step process on how to drive. Now, these videos, you will be seeing me from this angle. You might even see me from this angle, and maybe even this angle, and many more. The lessons come in different areas. We got the basics of how to actually get the car moving through to more advanced features like how to negotiate traffic, change lanes, but then we've also got the slow speed maneuvers such as 3-point turns, reverse parallel parking and angle parking as well. It's important to note that these videos do not replace actually getting in the car with a qualified driving instructor. A driving instructor will actually be able to tailor a lesson specifically to your needs and actually work on areas that you're struggling with. These videos are in addition to what you're doing and making sure that it fills a gap so parents are well educated before they take their student out on the road themselves. What I have done is recorded a whole series of videos to help mums and dads train their children or older adults how to drive so they get the confidence of what we're looking for when we're doing our training, but also what the Department of Transport is looking for when they take the client out on the road for their driving assessment. The series has been designed to follow one on from the other. It builds in knowledge base and in skill acquisition. So make sure that you don't skip ahead too far and make sure that you master the steps in sequence before you go and advance yourself too far and put yourself at jeopardy of having potentially an accident or getting into trouble while you're driving. It's vital that all people that are watching these videos understand their own limitations. We are not assessing you in regards to whether you can move forward. This is up to self-discretion, and it's really important that people don't advance themselves too far out of their comfort zone. When you're the supervising driver and you don't have a driving instructor brake, your best friend may be the handbrake. As a supervising driver, make sure that you have access to the handbrake and can pull it on in a hurry if required. The other tip that we give supervising drivers is to make sure that you're aware that you can knock the car out of drive and into neutral so the driver doesn't over accelerate, making it much easier to pull the handbrake on. These two things may be the best thing to keep both you and the driver safe. I need to reassure you that all videos were started and finished recording when I was parked at the side of the road. I did not touch my phone when driving. And that's really important to note for you when you're out and about training your student how to drive. If somebody is on their L plates here in South Australia, they are not allowed to have their phone anywhere near them or within visual display of them while they're driving. So please, make sure that you are taking this on board. It also transfers over to the supervising driver. The supervising driver should not be using their phone either when you're out and about driving when the car's in motion. If you're watching these videos and you're taking your phone out with you and watching these videos on your phone in the car, make sure that you pull over to the side of the road, have the engine off before you watch the next part of the video, or if you're refreshing the content of that video to help you with the ongoing part of your training. And that's it. If you're looking for any more information at any stage, make sure that you get in contact with Williams OT Driver Assessments and Rehab. You can find our details at www.williamsot.com. We will make sure that we get the answer for you. If you need a specialised driving instruction lesson, make sure you reach out because we can tailor a package specifically to your needs. In the meantime, make sure you stay safe. Look out for each other, and we will see you on the road very soon. Bye for now.